Hi YouTube. In this video I will show you how to get Microsoft Office for absolutely free. I have made this tutorial very easy to follow, even a child can do it. Anyway, let's get into it. First of all, we need to download Microsoft Office Deployment Tool. Links in the description of this video. Click the blue download button to begin downloading. Save the download file to your desktop for now. The download will only take a few seconds as it's a really small file. There's the downloaded file, but don't open it just yet. Now open a folder, go to this PC on the left menu and open the local disk, also known as C drive. Now, right-click and create a new folder and name the newly created folder as Office. Now, minimize the folder and go to your downloaded file, right-click it and click Run as administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Click on the small checkbox to accept the Microsoft terms and conditions and then click the Continue button. Click this PC from the list, then local disk, then select the Office folder we created earlier. Click the OK button. Click OK and go back to the Office folder. You will see two new files there. The two new files are called Setup and Configuration 365. Right-click the Configuration 365 file and open it with Notepad. Now press Ctrl+A to select all text and delete it. Make sure that there is no more text on the notepad. Now, click on the second link in the description. Scroll down until you see this block of code. Click the Copy button. Paste the code into the empty notepad by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click and click Paste. Remove this excess code for Product Vision Pro and Project Pro. We don't need to install this, so remove these from the text file as such. Now we need the product key. To get the key, go back to the page and scroll down until you see the product key for Microsoft Office 2024 LTSC. Select the key and paste it into the notepad. Make sure to paste it in the right place between the quotes. Great, we now have the completed code. Click File, then go to the Save As option. And save the file as configuration.xml file. This step is important, so don't get it wrong. Now you can just close the notepad. We don't need it anymore. Also, you can go ahead and delete the extra configuration 365 file. Now, click on the top folder address bar, right-click and copy. Now comes the fun part, so pay attention. Go to your computer search and search for command prompt. Make sure to run it as administrator and remember to click Yes. In here, type CD space then Ctrl+V to paste the Office directory location we copied earlier. Press Enter key on your keyboard. Now let's go back to the page and scroll back up a bit. Find and copy this line of code as such. Open Command Prompt and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste. Then press Enter. It will immediately begin installing Microsoft Office on your computer. You don't need to do anything here except make yourself a coffee while you wait for it to complete installing. It's also a great time to drop a like on this video. Thank you. After the installation is complete, just click Close. Now you can delete the extra file on your PC we downloaded earlier, as you no longer need it. Find our Office application from the Start menu. I'm going to open Word. Click on Account from the left menu and it will say Activation Required. Go back to the Microsoft page once more, scroll down and look for Product Key for MAK activation. Highlight and copy the top key. Go back to your Office application and click on Change Product Key link. Simply paste the key and press the Activate Office button. It will no longer say Activation Required. Close the application and open it again to see if Office has truly been activated yet. Click on the account from the menu again. As you can see, it says Product Activated. If you see this, congratulations. You have now got Microsoft Office 2024 for your PC for absolutely free. You can now write boring essays for your school again. Just kidding. Please share this video. Like and leave a comment below. Subscribing also would motivate me to make more videos and help more people. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.